Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we talk about different ways to make money online. Today, we're going to discuss how you can make money with Skyscanner as a beginner. Skyscanner is a popular travel search engine that allows you to find and compare flights, hotels, and rental cars. However, there's more to Skyscanner than just finding the best travel deals. In this video, we're going to explore how you can use Skyscanner to make money from home. If you've ever used Skyscanner, you may have noticed that they have an affiliate program. This means that you can earn a commission by promoting Skyscanner on your website, blog, or social media channels. Skyscanner pays you a commission for every booking made through your affiliate link. The commission rate varies depending on the type of booking and the location of the user. However, you can earn up to 50% commission on some bookings. To become a Skyscanner affiliate, you need to sign up for their affiliate program. You can do this by visiting their website and filling out the application form. Once you're approved, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard where you can generate affiliate links and track your earnings. Skyscanner provides a variety of promotional tools such as banners, widgets, and search boxes that you can use on your website or blog to promote their services. Now that you're a Skyscanner affiliate, it's time to start promoting their services. Here are some tips for promoting Skyscanner. 1. Create a travel blog or website. If you don't have a website, you can create a travel blog or website and write about travel destinations, travel tips, and travel deals. You can include affiliate links to Skyscanner in your blog posts. 2. Share on social media. You can share your affiliate links on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Make sure to use hashtags and captions that appeal to travel enthusiasts. 3. Create video content. You can create video content about travel destinations and include your affiliate links in the video description. 4. Offer travel deals. You can offer exclusive travel deals to your audience and promote them using your affiliate links. Skyscanner is a great way to make money from home. By becoming a Skyscanner affiliate, you can earn a commission by promoting their services on your website, blog, or social media channels. Remember to create valuable content that appeals to travel enthusiasts and use promotional tools provided by Skyscanner to increase your earnings. If you want to learn more about the best way of making money from home, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online.